Good morning, sir. I'll make breakfast.
Alright, come and carry this bag.
Sir, I can carry it.
No, don't worry.
Sir, thank you so much for picking me.
I've told you, it's fine, it's okay. It's no problem, come on, let's go inside.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay? I'll get the bag.
Let's leave it there. Okay. Welcome to my house.
I'm sorry. Wow, this place is very nice. Like,
Yeah?
it's really big and it's... Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
No.
I got ahead of myself.
No, it's fine, you didn't. You gave an honest compliment, to which I would say, I worked hard for my money, so I get to spend it however I want to. Alright? So don't be sorry. Would you like to eat something now, or you want to get some rest first?
It's fine, sir. I'm not hungry.
Eleanor.
Sir, they served us snacks on air, so I'm okay.
On air. Eleanor. I'm talking about real food, not on air snacks. Real food.
I'm actually fine, sir. I'm okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I'll show you to your room. It's upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah. Do you have a problem with staying upstairs?
Sir, please, you stay upstairs.
Yes.
No. Sir, I don't know if there's any guest room downstairs where I can stay. I can just stay at the boys' quarter. It's fine by me. Your mom, when she finds out I'm staying upstairs, I'm sure she's not going to be...
I don't care what my mom thinks when she finds out. This is my house. And you're here for law school. And I made a promise to your mother that I will make sure this environment is conducive and comfortable for you to go to school and come back. So that's what I'm doing.
Yes, sir.
So you're staying upstairs.
Sir,
okay?
but it's not my mom paying for my schooling, so it's
But
your mother.
You are in my house. This is my house. My house, my rule. Okay? So let's go.
Thank you, sir. No, sir, I can carry it.
Don't worry
sir,
about
no, please,
it. Don't worry about it.
Hey.
Yeah, she has settled him. As a matter of fact, she's sleeping. No, nothing is wrong with her. Pretty sure she's tired. Yeah. Alright, I gotta go. What? Christmas. No, Mom. I won't be coming for Christmas. I am not coming. I'm busy. I have to go now. Bye.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What are you doing?
I'm trying to make breakfast. But we don't actually have anything in the house, so I think I have to restock.
Eleanor,
Yes, sir.
I have told you, you're not a chef. You're not a cook. That's not the reason you came here. Alright, so I don't need you to do all of this. I actually have people that I pay. I have a driver, I have a cook, I have a cleaner. As a matter of fact, they come twice a week. Okay? So, don't do all of this, okay? Please.
Sir, it's nice that you have people that are already doing it. But actually, I'm here to be your chef, your gardener, everything. That's why your mother brought me.
And I've told you, forget about the reason my mother brought you. You came here for something very important, and that's school, law school. And I would advise you focus on that because it's not easy. You need to focus and study, okay?
Okay, sir. That means I'll have to call your mom and tell her that the purpose of sending me has been defeated. And if I tell her, it only means one thing. Either I get an apartment, which I don't have money for, or I have to wait for next year. And I've already waited 2 years to get to this point. So please.
Okay. If that's what you want, no problem. Remind me later to give you the estate key pass. You're going to need it to have access in and out of the estate.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright, Pepe, I'll drop you off.
Where, sir?
You said you're going to the market to stock up, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll take you to the nearest farm city market so you can buy all the foodstuffs you need.
Oh, sir, you don't have to worry. I'm trying to get accustomed to the whole area, so I'll find my way.
Give me a phone.
Sir?
Phone.
Your mother actually gave me the phone.
Phone, Eleanor.
Oh, it's inside. Let me check. Okay, it's here, sir. What do you need it for, sir?
Unlock it.
Okay. What are you doing, sir?
I want to watch match.
I don't watch football.
Save it. That's my driver's number. When you're done buying everything you need to buy, you call him. He'll come pick you up and bring you home.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Hi. Yeah, come in.
Sir.
Yeah, what is it?
Your dinner is getting cold. You've not eaten.
Yeah, I'll be there in a minute. I have to finish this up.
Sir, that was what you told me 30 minutes ago.
Eleanor,
Sir.
I am busy.
Well, I can see that. Just that your food is already cold. I think you should eat now.
Eleanor.
Sir.
This is my house, right?
Yes, sir.
I have 2 hands and 2 legs. I'm pretty sure I can find my way around. So please, if you don't mind, go and study. I believe you're resuming soon.
Yes, sir. Just I can't concentrate. I need you to eat the food that I served already.
Fine.
I'll microwave it then.
Happy?
Okay, sir.
Where is your food?
It's inside. I'll eat when I'm ready.
Get your food and eat here.
Oh no, it's fine, sir. I'm okay. I'll eat in my room when I'm ready.
Why?
I think it's inappropriate for me to eat with you, so it's fine.
Inappropriate. Say so.
Says your mom.
No. You're in my house. Like I said, my house, my rules. So there is no reason, there is nothing inappropriate for you eating on the same table with me. Okay? So get your food, sit down, we're eating together.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Honestly, at this point, it's infuriating. It's like he's hell-bent on making me lose my job. Because I'm sure when his mother finds out, she wouldn't find it funny.
Calm down. It's just dinner. Besides, I don't see anything wrong with what he did.
I know there is nothing wrong with it, but the relationship between me and him is like master and slave.
If I don't know any better, I would say you have it hot for Mr. Hotshot.
Excuse me.
Maybe all this of not seeing each other and finally meeting now, under these circumstances, is kind of bringing out all those emotions, you know.
There is no emotions between Danny and I. Okay? There is no emotions here.
But you used to have this massive crush on him.
Ada, that's because I was a teenager. I was a child. I was only 16. What were you expecting? I was stupid.
So what? There is no law against a girl jumping a guy she likes. And so is Casey. And yet, you don't have any problems being friends with him.
Oh, case is different.
Oh, really? Because last time I checked, they are both starting soon.
Fine. It seems like you're not paying attention to me, right? You're not paying attention to me. You're not helpful.
And the other one, you can't get out of your system since we were teenagers. Girl, you are holding the line. You think you are the only one who dreams about sexy girl.
Fine. Good night. There is no need talking to you. Bye. Sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Black coffee. I just figured that you always have it after you run. I just figured that maybe it's a new habit you picked since moving here.
So, this is going to be like a thing now, yeah? You're greeting me with a cup of coffee every morning?
Yes, sir. Your mom brought me here to take
I don't
care.
need it. Thank you. But I don't need it.
Sir, actually, the reason your mother brought me
I
here...
do not need it, Elena. Don't you understand? I don't need it, and it's non-negotiable. Listen, I don't know what my mom has on you, or your mother, that has made you come all the way here to start playing maid and stuff. But trust me, I certainly do not need it. Okay, I don't need you waking up at every goddamn odd hour to wash, sweep, clean, trim my flowers. Whatever it is you do, I don't just need it. I have people that I pay to do those things, okay?
So, sir, you're saying that you don't...
That is what I'm saying, and I'm saying that if you're going to stay in my house, you have to live by my rules. Don't do it. That's the only way this is going to work. Okay?
I'm sorry, sir.
It's cool. It's okay. Excuse me.
Honestly, he's so annoying. 100.
Yeah?
It's not funny.
Absolutely. But seriously, why are you fighting this? I mean, from where I am standing, I see him as being nothing but considerate and understanding, unlike his mother. He wants to have ample of time to focus attention in your law school.
Yeah, it's like that till his mom finds out. And then she decides to stop paying for my school. How will I pay? Besides, what she's asking for is not even that difficult.
If it's not, why didn't she come do it herself? And honestly...
Babe, my nightmare is back. I'll call you. Good afternoon, sir. You're welcome, sir. Good afternoon, ma. So let me help you with your work.
What a pleasant aroma. Bet this will taste nice.
I'll leave you to be the judge of that, ma.
Guess you are the maid.
Sorry?
I mean, are we having any special occasion today?
No. Why do you ask?
You are the maid, right? Usually you're gone before he's back. I never met you, just today. So I'm just wondering.
Well, I live here.
Oh. Okay, since you're here and you are the maid, get me water and coffee to the Danny study room.
Okay, ma'am.
Right now.
Sure. Study now.
I thought you went to get water.
Yeah, I was supposed to, but noticed your maid was still around, so I asked her to get them, including the coffee.
I'm sorry, what?
Is there any problem?
Why?
Why what?
Why would you ask her to get you coffee when you went downstairs? Why didn't you bring it yourself?
Well, I was supposed to, but since she's still around and it's her job, so... Didn't you get the pot?
I did, ma.
Then you should have just brought instead of bringing this little.
Let me bring the pot.
No. That'll be all. Lisa, that'll be all for today. You can go.
But sir, we have a lot of work to do.
No, we don't. I do. You're done for today.
Sir, it's fine. Let me just get that.
Can go.
Okay, sir.
And what just happened?
Hello, John. Yeah, I need you at my place right about now. Okay. Lisa, your work here is done.
What's the meaning of that?
You are done for today.
Daniel.
My cab guy will drive you home.
Morning, sir. I'm going to school.
Oh, you guys resumed today?
Yes, sir.
I see. Alright, have your breakfast. I'll drop you off.
That won't be necessary, sir. I want to get used to the environment.
And you will get used to the environment. But today, I'm dropping you off. So have your breakfast. We'll off in 30 minutes, alright?
So I am not a breakfast person. Besides, I'm lactose intolerant.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I'm done anyway.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir.
That's fine.
Let me just clear the table.
It's okay. I do that when you're back.
No, it's fine, sir. Okay, I'm ready, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm so sorry I'm late. I'll start with dinner.
No need. I already cooked something.
You cooked?
Yeah. I mean, seems like you've got your hands and time filled up. So, I cooked something.
Actually, the person that dropped me is my friend Damon.
Damon.
Yes, sir. He's my new friend in school. We were assigned to the same team, so I just asked him to drop me.
Oh, I see.
Sir, please, I'm so sorry. I don't mind actually making...
It's fine, it's fine. You don't have to apologize. You need friends. You're a student. Okay? You need to socialize and meet new friends. That's how you're going to survive. All right?
Thank you, sir. Let me help you and dish the food. Yes, I'm coming. 1 minute. I'll tell my boss you're here.
No, don't worry. He's aware I'm around. I called him on my way here.
Okay. So do you want me to bring anything for you?
Yeah, I would actually love to have.
Good morning, sir.
Maybe some other time. I read some. Yeah. For some reason. Okay. I hope we land this deal. Like, we really worked so hard for it. God. You know, I wonder how you do it.
Do what?
Like, stay calm and collected. Like, I mean, this is a project that I've gotten even way bigger friends sweating, losing their shit. I barely got a 2 hours sleep last night. And by looking at you, seems like you didn't get to sleep at all, despite the hard front you put out there. And don't forget, I've gone over this presentation more than 10 times, even before we left your house. But yet, here you are, calm and collected. You know, for the past 4 years I've been working with you, I've never seen you this sweat block. How do you do it?
It's simple. Just do your work to the best of your abilities. That's it.
That's all?
Yep.
Okay, fine, whatever. Can I ask you something?
You're already asking, Melissa. What is it?
Right. So it's about your maid. Is she just your maid or there is something to her? I ask again, is she just your maid or there is something to her?
Melissa, there is no need asking if Eleanor is just my maid. I don't think that's any of your concern. I already know where you're heading to with this. Like I've told you before, whatever we had in the past has to stay in the past. Please. I would like you to take your work very professional and serious when it comes to business. And let's keep our personal lives private and to ourselves, please.
Fine.
Thank you.
So have you decided yet?
About what?
Come on, Ellie. It's Xavier party. She promised it to be fun.
Oh, I can't come, I'm sorry.
Why?
I work for someone.
So, because you work for someone, you can't go out. Like, it wouldn't take you more than a few minutes just to have fun with your friend.
You don't know my boss, trust me.
Who's that?
That's my boss. I'll see you later.
Hey! Forget something!
Do you want me to get it for you?
No. Just get me one second.
Okay, sir. What are you asked for?
Thank you.
Are you okay?
I'll be fine.
You're running temperature. I need to call the doctor.
No. That won't be necessary.
But sir, your temperature is high.
I said I'll be fine.
I need to...
Call my mom. So she forces a doctor here on me. Right? You don't have to do that, please.
Okay, sir. But I wasn't going to call your mom.
Don't leave. Don't go. Please.
I was going to get your sweater from the closet.
Oh. Okay.
Good morning, sir. I'll make breakfast.
Alright, Doc. I will swing by your office today on my way back from work, okay? Yeah, definitely. Alright, thank you very much. Okay.
Are you going to work?
Yeah, I didn't do much at work yesterday, so I have a lot to catch up on today. Today I have to,
You're not going anywhere, sir.
Excuse me?
You heard me. You're not going anywhere.
Eleanor Okoye, do you have an idea who you're talking to?
I don't care. I don't care since you don't care about yourself. For goodness sake, you're the owner of this company. You can call in sick and no one will question it. Must you go today?
Okay, let's get something straight. First off, you're not my mother. If I were you, I would mind my freaking business and prepare for my lectures.
I'm not going to school. I mean, what's the need of attending lectures if I'm not going to pay attention to it? I'm worried sick, and the best you can do is sit at home and attend to yourself. God help me and you, if you step out from this house, I will call your mom and tell her everything. You have to stay at home.
Okay. I'll call in sick.
You should also call the doctor.
He was the one I was just speaking with on the phone. I was supposed to meet with him on my way back from work today.
I'm sure he can come here.
Yeah, I'm sure he can.
Okay. Please, can you sit down? Let me serve you your breakfast. Sir. Come here. Sir, have you taken your meds?
Yes, I have.
Okay. That means it's time for you to rest. That's the only way the medications can work.
I have to finish this up, so I can rest now.
I'm sorry, sir. Let me just take this. This can always wait. When you feel better, you go back to work. And if you need anything, sir,
If I need anything, I will let you know. I am not a child, Eleanor. I can handle myself perfectly.
Okay, sir. I'm inside. I'll drop this inside for you.
Eleanor.
Sir?
Hope you didn't call my mom.
Not yet, sir. Except you give me reasons to. I'm inside. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Eleanor,
Sir?
what are you doing out here like this? I'm Damian.
Sir. Sir, I'm really sorry for what happened. I promise it won't repeat itself again.
He wants nothing more than to get in between your legs, Eleanor. You should desist from him.
Excuse me?
Haven't you noticed? It's as clear as day. That guy is bad news. He's the kind of guy your mother will warn you not to be friends with.
With all due respect, sir, first of all, you don't know me. So you don't know what my mom wants for me. Secondly, Damon is my friend. We were assigned to the same team. It's not every guy you see wants to get in between a girl's legs.
I see. Eleanor. You know, Eleanor, is either you are completely blind or totally dumb.
Okay. I think I've had enough. If there is anything I've served you respectfully, I've never used demeaning words while speaking to you. I've been a good staff. Never for once have I raised my voice while you speak. Not minding that we don't have much of age difference between us. What I'm not going to stand is you calling me dumb or stupid. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm not a child.
Okay, fine. Tell me this. What is it doing here? And why has it been coming here ever since you started going to school?
We went to the library together. I mean, I've missed some lectures, so he was here to give me information and also bring some notes to me.
And he couldn't do that over the phone?
So what exactly is your problem with me? What is it? I serve you. I try my best to make sure that you're okay with my service, but living with you is like literally walking on thin ice. I never get it right. Why? You're never satisfied. It's like I have to keep walking and looking over my shoulders to make sure you're not offended. I'm not a child. Besides, my friendships or relationships have never affected my work. So what's your problem? Sir, if you don't want me here, it's fine. I totally understand. Please, tell your mom so that I can go back. But I can't stand being agitated or being on the edge all the time. With all due respect, sir.
It's the audacity. And you think that I can't do that?
Please do. Please, do. Because I am so done. Excuse me, sir. Honestly, your brother is so annoying. It's not funny. It's not funny, honestly.
It's not. But I did tell you not to take my mom up on that offer.
You know I was desperate. Of what use is a law graduate if there is no license?
You could have...
Please, Casey, don't go there. Okay? I'm tired of being in people's debt. Not yours, not your mother's.
Okay. Yeah, I hear you. Hey, I'm sorry I haven't been calling or replying your texts as often. Been pretty occupied here.
It's fine. I understand. I know school must be so hard for you.
Yeah. So how is he doing now? Better?
He's doing fine, of course. I mean, how else can he be annoying me if he's not doing okay? Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Very annoying. It's not what you think.
It's not what I think, huh? It's not what I think. You know, I don't think you know how this looks. Seriously.
Because if you do, you wouldn't stand here and try to wiggle your way out of this mess.
I'm not trying to wiggle my way out of this. I'm only trying to explain, sir.
Explain what, Eleanor? The fact that you and your friends got drunk behind the wheel? Oh, and should we forget the fight at the party? Party, Eleanor! Party, Eleanor! You told me you were going to stay back and study. That you had missed out on some things you were going to study to catch up. Or for you to ditch that and go to a party? Huh?
Sir, it's not what you think. Please, let me just explain.
I want you to desist from that boy. Whatever his name was. I want you, that boy, stay clear because it's not good for you.
That man is my friend. He was not even the one driving.
Does it matter? Huh? Does it matter who was driving? What matters is that whoever that was driving got into an accident that would have taken your life. If not for the ditch that was there to minimize damages. Or the fact that there was no car on the road at that time, God knows what would have happened.
Are you even going to listen to me? Or you just want to run with whatever you think you've seen or you heard?
Eleanor, it's not about what I saw, think, or believe. It's about the fact that you and your friends, law students preparing for their bar, knowing the law fully well, went out to a party, got drunk, got into a fight, and drove off highly intoxicated. Like, did you even stop to think for a second what could have happened? Passerbys, individuals, huh? Your mom, me. Do you know how scared I was when I got that call? Do you know how worried I was that something bad would have happened to you? Do you know how worried I was?
Do you realize that you're yelling at me right?
I was scared. I was worried. I thought something bad had happened to you. Eleanor, please. Don't leave me. I don't want anything to happen to you. You mean so much to me. Please.
Very good evening to you too, Eleanor.
Mom?
Ah, son. Oh, so good to see you.
What are you doing here, Mom?
Well, you're my son. And the last I checked, this is your house. I didn't know I needed permission to come here. Since the mountain has refused to go to Mohammed, Mohammed has decided to come to the mountain. You refused to come home, so here I am. Kathy, Eleanor, please bring in our luggage.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll get it.
My boy has done very well for himself. Eleanor, is there something edible in this house? Awesome.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Is there any other thing I can bring for you?
Oh no, thank you, I'm fine. Good night, Kathy.
Good night, ma'am. Daddy.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Slept well?
Yeah, are you?
Good. I'm fine. Very okay.
Good morning. What's the occasion?
Okay, nothing so special. Your mother developed the habit of taking her breakfast outside, so that's exactly what we're preparing.
Oh, I see. Interesting. Well, I'm sorry, I have to leave for work now.
Okay.
I kind of botched up my appointment with a potential client yesterday.
Oh my God.
Yeah, because something came up. Hopefully I get to pitch my case to him and he gives me another opportunity.
Of course he will.
Yeah. What about you? Are you not going to school?
I am, so I'm just trying to...
Of course she is going to school. She's just helping me with this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. You can start running off now, okay?
Let me just put it in.
No. Just what I will take up from here. You just drop the tray there. I will take it away.
Come on, let me drop you off,
Okay, sir, please let me get my bag.
Yeah, wait a second.
Be fast.
Okay,
Alright, Auntie Cathy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Have a nice day, okay?
Take care
Mommy,
of
I'll
yourself,
see you.
okay?
Mommy, bye.
Bye. Be careful.
I will.
Are you sure it's on record?
Mom?
Oh, you're back.
Ellie, you're back.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
back.
Yes, ma'am.
Come and join me. Come and join me. Come this time.
What's wrong?
Nothing more.
Ellie, I am your mother. I gave birth to you and I know you too well. What's going on?
Okay. Mom, what's going on?
Sit. Let's talk. Let it out.
Mom, it's Ma'am Darcy. What's wrong? It's like she's been replaced with someone completely different. Someone I can't recognize. The one that marvels me the most is the fact that you guys are kind of close. When did this start? How?
How would you think like that? This is a nice person.
Mom, I'm not disputing the fact that she's a nice person, but I know the woman I grew up with. I know how heartless and how rude she can be. The way she speaks to you and Dad, I know exactly how she treated us growing up. So this person I'm seeing is someone I can't recognize.
Ellie, change is constant. It is. You don't have to worry yourself. Yes. She's changing, or she has changed to a new person. There's one thing I want to make you understand. When a person gets matured, change comes in. She leaves everything she's doing that is not good and wants to do the good things. That's exactly what has happened to her.
Right?
Yes. Daisy has left all those proud, arrogant way of talking, all those wickedness, all those evil. She's now a good person. You can see it yourself from what she's doing for us.
Mom, it's scary.
Yes, I know, but it's sure. It's out there. You're seeing it. Aren't you?
Yeah, I am. Just I'm a bit worried.
No, don't be worried, my dear. Everything is fine. Daisy is a nice person, that's all.
Okay. I'll go back to
They just fast.
All
Let me
right.
have my place.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come in.
What are you doing, honey?
Walking.
Again? On a Sunday? Why don't you come out and spend some time with us?
Sorry, I can't.
Daniel, I did not come all the way here for you to stay holed up in your office working when there's so much we can do together.
I never asked you to come, Mom.
But I'm here now. Haven't the hostilities gone on for long enough? I'm trying here, Daniel. Please. I just want to spend some time with you.
Okay, fine. What do you have in mind?
Good things.
Oh, the small brush. Jesus.
Mom, don't worry.
So let me show you.
Okay, that was good. Okay, my turn. 4.
That's good. Okay, very good.
Mom!
Yes, I'm coming behind you.
Okay, this. Mom!
Look who I found.
Oh, you're here finally.
You know my mom. She can be stubbornly persuasive.
One of my many qualities.
So, who is winning?
Me, of course.
Mm.
Okay, I'll get more drinks.
Okay.
Now it's my turn to show you how the game is played. Scatter
Okay,
first.
okay.
Let's start again.
Let's start again. Wow! 6-4. Really? Really? Oh,
Thank you, dear.
mm-hmm.
Sorry. It's your turn.
No, yours.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Okay, I'll pity you. I'll let you get it.
Really?
I'll let you.
Okay, let's see. You're still up at this time? I thought you must have gone to bed.
Auntie Cathy.
Yes.
Can I trust you?
Of course.
If there is something going wrong, can I trust that you will tell me?
Yes, of course I will.
Fine. Auntie Cathy, please, what's going on? I want to know, please.
I'm not going to tell you that I know everything that is going on between you and your mother. But I know that your mother loves you so much and she misses you a lot, Danny. But there's something I want you to do. And I want you to do it fast. I want you to forgive your mother. Please. Please. Forgive her before it is too late. Please. Danny. Please. I do not want you to regret later. Okay? Do you understand? Please. Okay, go to bed, okay? Go to bed, go to bed.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Come on. Feel free. You don't sleep?
Something like that.
Hi.
Hey. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, Elena. Can we just stay here for just 2 minutes and enjoy the moment? Please?
Are you worried? Is it about the contract?
No, it's not about the contract. Actually, we got the deal.
Are you worried about your mom? You think something is wrong, right?
I don't just think something is wrong. I know something is wrong. But she wouldn't tell me. And your mom knows something is wrong too. And she wouldn't say anything either.
Don't you think if it was something important that your mom would tell you? Don't you think so?
It's so beautiful.
I'm sorry, we shouldn't be doing this, sir.
Why? I don't know. Hey, come. Why?
Because your mother is my sponsor.
I don't care. I don't. And I don't hear you saying you don't like me either.
Your mom is my boss. I wouldn't want to do anything to offend her too.
Hey. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What we feel for each other is real. I feel it and I know you feel it too.
Sorry, sir.
Something special, a feeling so strong. You took me unawares, love swept me off my feet. Something special.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma.
That reminds me.
Yes, ma.
What are your plans for tomorrow's function?
Oh, I'm not going, ma. Sorry, how did you get to know about that?
I have my contacts. You do know that function is aimed at opening you up to the legal world. Who knows, you could make 1 or 2 contacts that will give you a fair chance at internship.
That's true, ma. But I don't have the requirement to attend, so...
Requirements? The only requirement is that you be a law student, and that you already are. I don't see what the problem is.
Actually, ma, I don't have a date, and it will really be awkward, so...
Having a date is not compulsory, dear. But if you must, Danny can take you.
What?
Mm-hmm. It's not like you have a girlfriend or any fiancé that I know of. So what's the problem?
No, I don't have a fiancé. But I do have someone. Someone that I like.
Really? That's great news. When do I get to meet this person?
Soon.
You're not even sure. My dear, that means you don't like this person as much as you think you do. Or you're just a coward who hasn't been able to use the L word yet.
Ma, actually, it's not necessary. I'm sure Sir Daniel has other important things to do, so...
Oh no, dear. He's going to leave whatever it is he's doing and escort you to that function. Case closed.
Okay, ma.
ready to start
Yes,
recording?
I'm ready. Very ready.
Okay, fine. Oh. See how handsome you look. You look so much like your father. Broad shoulders, defined jawline, masculinity. Your father had his faults, but he was my one true love.
Yeah, I'm sure he was. I answer that to you.
Wow. You are absolutely cute. Amazing.
Looking like a lawyer already.
Yes.
Thank you, Mom. Stand together. Let's take a picture. Give them a little headroom. Our barrister. Our barrister.
All right. That's enough. We have to get going.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom. Thank
Okay,
you.
darling. Have fun.
Okay, Ma.
You should think about changing careers.
Sure.
Photographer. This is good.
Something special, a feeling so strong. You took me unawares, love swept me.
Is it just me, or is our mothers trying to match us up together?
How is that possible?
Why? You don't think it's possible?
It's not. Your mom will want a girl from a prominent home for you. So, if she ever finds out that anything is going on between us, I'm very sure all hell will be let loose.
You think so?
I know so.
They saw my passport and they saw the US visa. They were like, I know
Casey.
Oh, here they are.
Hi!
Oh my God.
Oh my God, longest time.
How are you?
Hi, thank you.
Oh, Mom told me that you two went for your school function.
Look at this man. My friend will come and greet me, Joe.
Bro.
Look at this guy.
How you doing, bro?
I'm great.
You look looking good.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Hey, what's up?
I thought you said you're not coming back till next year.
That's how it was supposed to be a surprise, you know. If I had told you, I would have ruined the surprise. Whoa.
It's so
Man,
good to
it's
see
so
you.
good to be home.
I know.
Though not home, but home regardless.
It's good to see you.
Well, same here. Man, what's happening?
Nothing, I'm okay.
You're looking more beautiful, girl. More like it's been tuned up somewhere. Oh, don't tell me that there is one lucky guy in the corner.
Let me see.
Come on, just stating the obvious.
Thank you.
Woo! Man. Bro, what's up?
Man, it's good to see you, bro.
I have something for all of us.
Oh! Really? Oh, you had these in there all this while and you were waiting for her to come first.
Mom, I wasn't really waiting for her. You heard me with so many conversations. See you, my beautiful bestie.
Oh my God, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, nice.
Mom,
For you, Mama.
Thank you.
Oh, for you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I know someone might be looking at me.
I'm just watching, you know.
Okay,
Let
calm
me
down.
see if you're going to disappoint me.
Okay, you know I can't. Let's do ladies first. I have yours in the bag. When we get upstairs, it's special.
Sure.
Something the guys like, you know.
Thank you so much,
Casey.
Mom, always for you.
Thank you.
We have a lot to catch up on. But before then, let me finish with Big Bro upstairs.
Okay.
Big Bro. Come on. Come on. You have to help me with this. You have to give me special
Let me
treatment.
help with the box.
No. Wait. I'll see you later, okay? Okay. Mama, hope you have something for me because I'm famished.
Just go and freshen up, then come down and eat.
Ma, see what he bought for me.
Lovely, lovely.
Mommy, thank you. Wow.
You sure won't exchange. Wow. His tastes have improved. If it was before, he wouldn't know what to buy. He would just buy trade.
Hey, bro.
Hi, bro.
Morning.
Good morning.
You slept all right?
Yes, I did. You?
Yeah, it was good. But I doubt you slept at all. I heard you and Ellie chatting all through the night.
Oh, yes. We actually had some, tete-a-tete, but before you knew it, nature took over.
Anyways, ready?
Yes, I am ready, but I'm waiting for Ellie.
Ellie?
Yes.
I thought Ellie was more of a yoga person than jogging.
Yeah, though, but that shows you don't know her that much. Yeah.
I see.
Oh, here she is.
I'm ready.
Bestie,
Hi, bestie.
looking good.
Thank you.
You ready?
Yeah, I am.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Hold on, hold.
Something special. I'm feeling so strong. You took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Something special. I'm feeling so strong. It took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Seems like magic, feeling butterflies.
Hi, bro.
This is
Hey, man.
So,
I'm good. That's good.
I'm fine. Bro, I need a favor from you.
Okay, what is it?
I was thinking if I could borrow one of your cars.
Sure. Come on.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thanks, bro.
Ask me whatever you need.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Bro. I've been meaning to ask you something.
Alright. What is it?
Is there something going on?
Something. What do you mean something? Something like what?
Mom. I feel there's something going on with her and it's gradually weighing on her. I mean, I know Mom is good with this whole brunch thing. But outdoor breakfast and dinner is not just normal. Plus, have you noticed that she isn't breathing down on anyone's neck and she's really getting along with Auntie Kati?
Well, to be sincere, Kathy is the only person that can tolerate Mom. You know that.
I know, but a lot of things has changed about her. Though for good, but I can't help but to worry.
Yeah, I'm worried too. Which is why I'm doing my due diligence. Very soon we'll find out that thing that she doesn't want us to know.
There you go. Welcome.
Thanks.
Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Still on the sub basis, yeah?
Of course, I mean, he's my boss.
You sure? Because I can swear that my brother almost smashed my head now.
Casey, I see right through you. I see what you're doing, and it's not going to work. So just keep showing me what you're showing me.
No, really? Really? Okay, tell me, from the scale of 1 to 10, how likely is it? Or are you trying to say that it's because of my mom it's not going to work?
You and Daisy, you guys are unbearable.
Come on, Ellie. I can see that you both are miserably in love with each other, so come off it.
So, my guy, when I had a crush on that guy was when I was 16. I was literally a child. So
16 is not so long? Are you trying to say that the crush you had for my brother years ago just died? Is that what you're trying to say? Okay, let me ask you. Let me ask you. Have you both?
What?
Have you had your first kiss? Are you blushing or what?
No!
Why do I have these feelings that you're beginning to lie to me?
No!
That's the best way for real? I take that to be a yes.
No!
My God, why are you having these feelings that you're beginning to lie to me?
No, I swear I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Bestie.
I'm not lying. I swear.
Okay.
I swear.
Okay. What is it?
Stop digging.
I'm sorry?
Don't feign ignorance. I know you've been digging into me. You don't know I still get those phone calls, right? But I wonder why you're investigating me anyways. Because I changed? The last I know, it's not a crime to become a good person.
Because I know you, Mom. We all do. You never embark on anything without a cause. Plus, the last time I can remember, you allegedly changed, only for you to come back way stronger. So, don't mind me looking.
Why didn't you just ask me?
Like you would tell me if I had asked.
Yes.
Okay. You're so unbelievable.
I will tell you, okay? I actually need to have a meeting with the whole family anyway. That's why I wanted you boys to come home for Christmas.
Well, we are both here, so...
But...
Exactly what I thought.
Hey, I will tell you on one condition.
Mom, you're in no position to make any condition.
I am your mother. I still have one shot.
Okay, fine. What's your condition?
I will tell you on one condition that you follow your heart and ask Eleanor out on a date.
Eleanor and I? What are you talking about?
You must think I'm blind. I know you. You're my son. I see the stars in your eyes whenever she walks into the room. You've loved her for a very long time. And that's why I ensured that she got admitted into law school here.
Wait. Wait, I don't understand. So it was you this whole time?
I also know that she loves you too.
She told you that?
I was a young girl once. I see the look in your eyes when you both stare at each other. I know.
Well, she doesn't feel that way. And her reasons are genuine.
The reason being me, right? Look, son. I have changed. I know I used to be a bad person. But I'm all for good now. Your anger for me and your father has ruined a lot of things for you. You have been mad at us because you feel we caused the death of Izzy. So once you got the chance to leave home, you left and never looked back. But one person always had the power to make you look back. And that was Eleanor. That is how I know you love her very much. Don't let the feelings you have for your father and I ruin a chance at something beautiful between you two. Fight for her. Fight for your love. Fight for the future you two could have together.
I'm feeling so strong. You took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Something special.
Well, I was actually going to tell you about her. Consequences be damned. And yes, you're right. My anger has eaten up all my time. And I won't let that happen anymore.
Thank you. Thank you, son. And I am sorry.
Okay, that's enough. So, Back to you. What's it you were going to tell me?
You need to call your brother first.
What? Cloud side tumor?
Mom, what does this even mean? I mean, you've been going to the hospital almost all the time. You get screened. How could they have missed it? How?
Maybe they didn't miss it. Maybe I did.
What do you mean?
What is your treatment plan? What's the doctor saying?
You know you can fight this, right?
Of course she will. There are lots of treatments available for cases like this. Let me call Dr. Madden.
Daniel.
Mom, don't. Even if I have to get the best doctors from around the world, I will do that.
Daniel. Kenechukwu, you both are not listening. I am not getting any treatment.
Yes, you are. Like I said, there are lots of treatments available for cases like yours. Surgery, chemo, or even precision targets.
And you think I've not considered all those?
Maybe you have not, Mom. And that is why you're ready to give up without a fight.
I am not. This is a very rare case of cancer.
Oh my days.
One that is deadly. At the rate it is progressing, I could be dead before any definitive treatment plan is worked out. Since I got the news, I've been dealing with this, trying to come to terms with it, and I can't spend all that time waiting for treatment, finding how to live longer while time passes by. This disease has many symptoms, and one of them is a loss of memory.
Wait. I don't understand. You mean you can forget us?
I am trying hard not to. Which is why I just want to spend the rest of my days happy. Living happily and being a good mother to my boys.
How long do you have left? How long do you have left?
I was given 6 months.
What? What? 6 months? And you only found out 4 months ago? Jesus Christ.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I need to get out of here. I need some air.
Kenechukwu.
Oh my days.
I've been so worried about you. Are you okay?
I just found out that my mother is dying. Do you expect me to be okay?
My boy.
It's okay. It's okay. Mom!
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 Mom! Ellie, go and call Danny! Mom! Mom! Danny!
Mom?
Mom!
Mom?
Mom!
Excuse me. Mom! Mom! Mom!
Oh my God.
Sorry. Danny, let's take her to her room. She needs some rest.
Let me stay here a little longer. I don't have the strength to climb that flight of steps.
It's okay, I'll carry you.
No. Let me just sit here, okay?
Should have stayed behind in the hospital, where there are professionals to look after you.
I'm better off here. Staying there would have just made me sicker.
Mom, if this isn't the sickest of it, then I wonder what it is. I'll be in my room.
You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine.
Let me get you some water to drink. Sorry. Sorry.
Casey, I get it. Okay? I get that you are upset. I get that you are angry. And trust me, you have every right to be. We all are. We are all hurting. But come on, bro. You don't have to be a jerk about this. Huh? You don't. Put yours in check, bro.
Danny, I am not angry. I am beyond furious. I understand that you and Mom had a fallout since Lizzie's death. But Mom and I were pretty close. I don't know. I am thousands of miles away. I talk to Mommy almost every day, no matter how short the conversation is. And Mom couldn't find me worthy. Mom couldn't trust me enough to tell me? Really?
Oh my God. Bro, I understand. Trust me, I do. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. If Mom wanted us to know, she would have told us.
Daddy, that woman is selfish. She's selfish even to the end.
Hey, bro. Listen, I don't see it that way. I'm not sure about that. God. I feel like she's more terrified about being alive and not being able to recognize us than she is of dying. I see this as a selfless act from her.
Yes. Exactly what I'm talking about. But that doesn't make it hurt less. I am terrified, bro.
I understand.
I'm terrified. I'm not ready to lose Mom.
I understand. Listen to me, Casey. I understand. Okay? But you have to be strong. You have to be strong. And I have to be strong. Yes, this is a bad time for us and this is a bad time for Mom. But trust me. We have to pull it together for her. Listen to me, brother. We have to spend every minute, every second to make sure we spend it right with Mother. We have to share the best memories we have with her till she goes, till she leaves us. Okay, brother? Please, be strong.
Do you need a drinking buddy?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, are you okay?
What can I say? I'm just there.
Yeah.
I know this isn't the right time or place. But I would like it if you could go out with me for dinner sometime. That's if you want to. Like I said, this isn't the right time or place. I'm just saying, if you...
Yes. Yes, I would love to. But for now, I think we should concentrate on your mom getting better. Because I wouldn't want to do or say anything that would agitate her. But yes.
Something special.
So,
Feeling so strong.
this is you saying yes to me?
You took me on a
Daniel, this is me saying yes to future dates.
Love swept me
Dinner.
off my feet.
Whatever you want to call it, yes.
Something special. A feeling so strong.
Do you know the meaning of what you're saying to me?
Took me unawares.
That I like you.
Love swept me off my feet.
I'm in love with you. My heart, my soul, my body yearns for you.
It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies.
Can I get you something to eat?
I'm not hungry. Maybe Casey will eat something. Hey, bro. You should try to eat something. You've been with us this whole time. I think you could use a bite. Where's my laptop?
I packed it in your bag already.
Hey, bring it, please.
No, I think you should eat.
No, I can't. For now, I have to finish making preparations and taking my mom home and...
If you continue with this pace, you're going to fall sick. I hope you know that. Please just have something to eat, okay?
Where is Casey?
My mom was able to convince him to eat, so he's eating. Okay. Shall we? Casey. Casey. You didn't touch your food.
I don't have appetite, bestie.
It's fine. It's okay. I need you to eat, okay? You need something in your tummy.
Bestie, just let me be.
I can't. I can't. Please.
What's the essence of eating? Tell me, what's the essence of eating?
Be strong, bro. You have to be strong.
Let me dish the food.
Look at this beauty. Hey, look. Hey, what's with the face? Why are you looking so upset? Today's a big day.
I don't know. I just feel so cold. I mean, she got me all this. The clothes, the bag, the shoe. And she was not here to experience this day. She really looked forward to it, and it makes me very sad. Your mother was annoyingly sweet. It hurts so much. So much.
Yeah, I know it does. But she left us with the most wonderful memories. One of the best Christmas I'll forever remember was last year. I mean, regardless of how bad she was before, she gave me you. The best thing to ever happen to me.
Well, I would say she played a hand in it.
Yeah, she did.
I'm happy.
You should. Hey, come here. I tell you what. I'm sure wherever she is right now, she will be super proud of you. Very, very proud. And she'll be more proud of me because I snagged the most beautiful, talented, amazing, wonderful, intelligent, awesome woman I've ever known. I love you.
I love you more.
You look amazing.
And you look terrific.
Thank you. All right, let's go. Let's not keep them waiting.
Okay.
All right. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Hi, bestie.
Look who we have here.
Hey, mama.
Come on.
So breaking news. Let's make way for the newest lawyer in town.
Say that again.
Roll out the carpet for my best.
As I said.
Hi, Mom. Thank you, Mommy.
Come on, give Mama a 360.
Hey! Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mommy.
You looking good.
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, my man. Come on, bro. Yeah, good.
Hi, bestie.
You ready?
How do I go?
All right. Can we go now?
The carpet is rolled for you, bestie.
Oh. More like the carpet is rolled for us.
For my bestie.
Couples first. Come on, baby.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Something special. A feeling so strong. You took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Something special. A feeling so strong. It took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love.